ko.
I know my point is I just think you guys will all not give up.
I'm gonna do it the other way. I've done my part. Thank you very much.
Take care.
Sorry, Don. Sa pag-give up or hindi na kaya ng katawan ko, hindi naman po doon nababase talaga kung deserving kang magstay or hindi ka na magaling na dancer. Yun na lang po yung iniisip ko ngayon.
Habang nagpapatuloy ang challenge sa mga housemates, nag-usap naman si Don at Sue sa dining area.
Dalawa pa tayo na muna. Okay, pwede nila. Hindi ko kaya pamilya na.
Sa gitna ng challenge, biglang nagsalita si Big Brother.
Kuya, bakit ko? Yes, kuya. Gusto kong ipaalam sa inyo na kayo ay 9 na oras lang nagsasayaw. Ba't 9? 9 hours? Ha? 8 hours? Sabi na, kuya. Damn, masayaw. Oh my God. Fuck. Just keep pushing. We're gonna do this. Let's do it. Make it worth it. Yeah, it's all a mental game, you know?
Ngunit ang determinasyon ni Tommy tuluyan ang nawala pagdating ng ika-11 oras.
There were so many walls I hit where I'm just like, oh my God, this is crazy. I overexhausted myself, you know? Everyone else has a good couple of hours left in the tank, but I gave it my all during the first 8 hours. Alright, Kuya. Yeah, I'm done. Thanks. Good luck, guys. Jump on me this time, okay? I feel bad, you know? I've been promising myself, promising Mel, my family that I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna change everything. I'm doing this for them, and I'm not gonna quit. I'm never gonna quit. You know? But I quit.
Samantala sa living room, matindi na ang pagod ni Miho.
Gusto ko pa po umangat nun pero hindi ko na po nakayanan nung talagang gumuho talaga. Miho gave up. Gave up
No way.
Hindi ko po talagang inisip na sumuko ako. Iniisip ko talaga yung mahal ko sa buhay, lalo na ang anak ko. Pero nung bandang huli-huli, wala na rin pa akong lakas dahil sobrang sa pagod.
Alam ko na, pag hindi ka naman ka mo din ako ng parang sa...
Give her a paper bag or something that
Of course I feel bad for Mio. You know, I like her. Maybe if I spoke better Tagalog, you know, then I could give her words of encouragement or praise for lasting longer than I. But in that moment, I couldn't say anything. Tell me what